All right, no huddle, 25433. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Somebody's winning the Bears. I have no idea. Sorry, Andrew. So if the Bears are on top, they'll go to second. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we are at 5. Browns. Congratulations, 5 times. Browns top. No, we should be tomorrow. That is on its way. Browns. First thing you got. Congratulations, Andrew. All right, here we go. Marvin Harrison, nice one there for the Cardinals. Kool-Aid, Deshaun, Justin Jefferson for the Vikings, numbered to just 99. Disco, Joe Milton variation. Penix, Cowing, purple, Wesley Walker for the Jets, numbered to 49. Jordan Travis, Murphy, Jerry Judy disco. Prismatic, Xavier Worthy. Marshawn Lloyd, Edgerrin Cooper, and Taylor Lockett, number 299. Miles Garrett, Throwback Disco, Spencer Rattler, Jawad Jordan, Randy Moss. AJ Barner. And Roma Dante is a very nice auto for the Bears. Congratulations, Bears. And a pink Alvin Kamara to 25 for the Saints. Also quite nice. Keon Coleman, Chris Braswell, Keith Byers, Disco. Kevin Porter. Michael Penix, Portals. Carson Steele, J.J. McCarthy, and a red, Julius Peppers. That's numbered to 75. Disco, Wes Welker, all-purpose. Jordan Jefferson, Bucky Irving, Troy Franklin. Fireworks, Robert Dunze, Disco, rookie. Nealand, Laub, and for the Cardinals, Max Melton for the Cardinals, number 299, and that is that. Prisoner Huddle 25433.